In this video, we'll walk through how to create a profile. From the dashboard, look at the left-hand panel. Click on Manage Profile, then select Config Profiles. On this page, click the plus icon to start creating a new profile. Enter your profile name. Then choose the device you have and select the correct model number. Once you pick your device and model, you'll see the port configuration. Here's how it works. Port 1 is a LAN port by default. Port 5 is a WAN port by default. Ports 2, 3, and 4 are fully configurable. Set them as LAN or WAN based on your needs. Under Networks, open the LAN network section. By default, 4 ports are attached here because port 4 comes pre-configured. We bridge 3 of these ports together, assign a static protocol, and give them an IP. For DHCP, the system automatically provides a range from 192.168.99.2 to 192.168.99.200. Your multi-WAN configuration is already set by default, so you don't need to make any changes unless you want to customize it further. Continue through the rest of the configuration. Name your SSIDs however you prefer. Adjust firewall rules to match your policies. Update device settings as needed. And configure routes based on your network design. Everything here is flexible and can be tailored to what you need. Want to know how to configure your routes, firewall, and more? Click on the link here. Adjust these as per your requirements. When you're done, make sure to click Save to apply your preferences.